Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the difference between CMYK and CMY, and this will be within CorelDraw. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the tutorial here, now just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on CorelDraw and how to transform or adjust your CMYK to CMY. Now the reason why you would want to do that is let's say your black ink has run out of your actual printer, it's dried up or something on that line, and you can only print CMY. Then we have a kind of a little fake hack we can do where we can make a form of black. It won't quite be solid black, but it'll definitely look better than no black at all. And then with that hack, we can kind of fake the K or the key or black feature. Now, the reason why this is important for printing is because this works different on normal RGB monitors or computer type color theory. So with, or not the theory, but the actual way it's structured. So on computers, what we get RGB for red, green, and blue. And that is where most of your monitors and so forth works with that. But once you want to switch it over to actual printing, then most printing, not all of it, but most of it, they work with a CMYK. And that will be basically using a white base, and they'll be adding these type of colors with black to get all the different colors, or pretty much all the colors that we have. But yeah, so otherwise, when it comes to the actual CMYK, what it stands for, so the first one here, the C, that's cyan. Then next to that, we've got the M for CM, that will be magenta. Then we've got Y for yellow, and then the K for key, or it's also known as the black. So that is pretty much the three colors you have that we're going to be looking at. Now there's two methods we can go about faking the actual K inside CorelDraw. This first mini series we're going to be covering the first method, and then I'll be having another little mini series where we'll be covering the second method, but without running through all the theory behind it. So it's going to be a little bit quicker one, so you can see which approach works for you. Maybe with the version of software you're using, the one is more relevant than the other. But yeah, otherwise, before we head to the actual tutorial, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, we normally have a section where you can just simply request a training video. You can see it here on the left, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.